Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your friend, your sister Ejibike. I hope everybody is keeping safe, washing your hands for 20 seconds, keeping the social distance and staying at home as much as possible. Also eating food that is high in zinc because that will prevent COVID-19 from replicating in your cell and also boost your immunity. Thank God for Google. Google for food that is high in zinc and add all this to your diet. Today I want to teach you how to make these special cookies that I make for my great nephews, Joel and Aaron. So this cookie is dedicated to them. Anytime they see me, they're expecting me to have these cookies in my bag, and I try as much as possible not to disappoint them. Tomorrow I'm going to meet with them, so that's why I'm making these cookies again today, because you don't see them very often, so every time you see them you want to bless them. To make these cookies you will need a pound of melted and cool butter. You may use salted or unsalted. Today I'm using salted. As a result, I'm going to reduce the amount of salt that I will add to it. You will need 2 cups of packed brown sugar. I make this brown sugar myself. To make your own brown sugar, all you need is molasses. You need 3 ounces of molasses, which is 90 cc. Then you need granulated sugar, a pound, which is 16 ounces, 240 cc. Put the two together in a mixer and mix it. That is why a mixer is very important in every home. When you are making bread dough, cookies, it makes it faster and more efficient. So invest in a mixer. Also, when you have a mixer at home, you don't feel reluctant in making bread or cake or cookies, because you already have an equipment at home that will help you. After you have mixed the two together, they are well incorporated. Then you put it in a container with a lid and put a slice of bread or a dinner roll in there. The purpose of the dinner roll is to give the sugar moisture so the sugar does not go dry. Eventually you see that your bread dry up, so put another bread there. You don't have to buy brown sugar in the store anymore. You can make it at home yourself. You will need half cup of granulated sugar. You will need 2 whole eggs and 2 yolk of egg. I always beat my egg whenever I'm making anything, because egg is a leavening agent and I want to add more leavening agent to it. When you beat your egg with a spoon or hand mixer, it incorporates air into it, therefore make whatever you are baking lighter. I have 4 tablespoons of whole milk here, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm supposed to use 2 cups of chocolate chips, but I only have this left at home and I don't want to go to the store because of chocolate chips. So what I did, I chopped them into pieces, so every scoop of the cookie will have its own chocolate chip. You will need 5 cups of flour. You can use bread flour, you can use all-purpose flour. Today I'm using all-purpose flour. And I always sieve my flour to incorporate air into it, so whatever I'm baking will be light. To my flour, I have added the 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using my mixer today. So in my mixing bowl, I am adding the 4/6 of butter, which is a pound of butter, or 16 ounces of butter. I will add my granulated sugar and the 2 cups of packed brown sugar to my mixer until the mixture is fluffy. I'm going to beat the mixture of butter, brown sugar, and the granulated sugar for 10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes since the butter and the sugar have been mixing. So to find out if it's well mixed, you take a little bit out in your finger and look at the grain of the sugar. Look at the grain of sugar. You can still feel a little bit, but it should not be much. So it's ready, and you can tell that it's fluffy. It's lighter than what it was. So at this time, I'm going to scrape the batter down into the bowl. And add other ingredients to it. In this bowl, I have the eggs, which consist of 2 yolk and 2 whole eggs, beaten. I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 4 tablespoons of whole milk. I'm going to add to the batter a little bit until it incorporates. I'm going to add some more mixture of the egg. Finish adding the mixture of the liquid ingredient. Add the dry ingredient mixture, which is the flour, salt, and the baking soda. Sieve together. I have added the flour mixture in 3 batches, all mixed together with the mixer in medium speed. Now I'm scraping it down into the mixture. Sometimes the bottom part is not being touched much by the paddle. You have to use your ladle to make sure that they all have the same consistency by mixing them all properly. This time I'm going to add the chocolate chip. Turn the mixer on. This is the dough for the chocolate chips cookie. It's all been well mixed together. I've added the chocolate chip. Now I'm going to use my spatula to make sure that they all have the same consistency. So I'm going to pull from the bottom and mix them together. Make sure they all have chocolate chips. Put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After you have covered it with Saran Wrap to prevent it from drying up. The purpose of putting it in the refrigerator is so that it can harden up a little bit. This is the chocolate chip cookie. If you like what I'm doing, please like my channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to it, and keep coming back. I have a lot to offer. This channel is about teaching everyone to cook. If we know how to cook, as parents, our children also will learn from us. The cookie dough has been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I turned the oven on to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake for this. So on a tray, I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. I leave like 2 inches space in between the cookie. This is the dough on the tray covered with parchment paper. I'm going to bake it 375 for 30 minutes, and when it's halfway baked, I will rotate the pan. It's finished baking. I will leave it in a tray for 2 minutes for it to cool down and harden, then transfer to the cooling rack. You will be ready for consumption. This is the finished product of the chocolate chips cookie. You can eat it as a snack, you can eat it as a meal. Because I'm serving it with a cup of carrot juice that has vitamin A, vitamin C, lots of fibers in it to help your gut. And in the cookies, we have protein, carbohydrates, we have electrolytes, sodium. It is a balanced meal. So enjoy. My nephews will be happy to see me tomorrow with this freshly made chocolate chips cookie for them. Crispy at the edges and soft at the middle. This is good for you. Enjoy. Like what I do, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to it, and please share with your families and friends. These cookies will yield you 4 dozens and a half. That is 54 cookies. Thank you and have a good day till we see again.